Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today on How Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice baked chicken. So if you want to see how I prepare my baked chicken, please stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So guys, in my bowl I have 3.5 pounds of chicken. So I have chicken thighs, chicken legs and chicken breasts. So I have already cleaned my chicken, so it's time to season our chicken. So going in with 1 teaspoon of Maggi All-purpose seasoning. Now going in with half teaspoon of paprika. Going in with 1 teaspoon of my bulk all-purpose seasoning. So now adding half teaspoon of chicken seasoning. So guys, you can use any seasoning of your choice. So if you want to add more seasoning to your chicken, or you want to reduce it, or you have any other seasonings that you like, feel free to use them. So guys, I have added all my powdered seasoning. So now going in with my green seasoning. So adding 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. Then going in with some onions and garlic. Going in with my scotch bonnet peppers. Then going to add some scallion. After that, going in with my thyme. So for my thyme, I generally remove the hard part, which is the stem, and use mostly the leaves. Now adding some bell peppers. The last thing I will add is half teaspoon of browning. Then we're just going to combine everything and get our chicken nicely seasoned. So you just want to rub that seasoning onto the chicken so that it can be nicely seasoned. So guys, this is it. Our chicken is nicely seasoned. So now we are going to allow this to marinate overnight. So the longer the marination time, the better. But if you don't have enough time to allow the chicken to marinate, you can always allow it to marinate for 1 to 2 hours and it will still be tasty. So now going to cover this and place it in the refrigerator. So guys, I have taken out my chicken out of the refrigerator. So this is how it looks after 12 hours. So now we're going to place our chicken in our baking dish. So guys, you don't have to grease your baking dish because the chicken will produce its own oil. So it's time to place our chicken in the oven. So guys, we are going to bake our chicken for 30 minutes. So in the meanwhile, we are going to make our sauce. So first going in with some olive oil. Then I add my onion, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme. Now going in with 1 cup of ketchup. Then going in with some soy sauce. Going in with my water. Then add in some brown sugar and vinegar. So going to allow this to simmer on low heat. But before that, I will add some more soy sauce. So I added the soy sauce to give it a little more of color instead of adding browning. So guys, we're going to add some of the liquid that the chicken is producing while it's baking. So guys, while the sauce is reducing to the consistency that you want, you can always taste the sauce to ensure that it doesn't need anything else. So if you want a little more salt, or you want some black pepper in there, or you want a little more flavoring, anything of your choice, you can always taste it and adjust it to your liking. So we're just going to allow this to simmer. Okay guys, so after about 5 to 6 minutes, our sauce is reduced to the consistency that I am looking for. So now what I will do is to turn off my heat, and then I will check on my chicken. So this is how my chicken looks after 30 minutes. So the liquid that the chicken has produced, we want to remove it. So if you like a lot of sauce, you can use the liquid along with the seasons that we use to marinate our chicken, so that can make a nice gravy. So if you need extra sauce, you have that. Right now, just coating the chicken with the sauce that we made. Then we're going to place it in the oven for 40 minutes just to allow the chicken to cook and get tender. So guys, when the chicken is almost finished in the oven, we're going to turn up the temperature to allow the sauce to thicken on the chicken a little more. And after that, our chicken is all ready. So guys, this is how our chicken is looking after a total of 1 hour and 10 minutes in the oven. So it is all ready. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. So until I see you next time, bye guys.